Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make an awesome broccoli casserole that is perfect for Thanksgiving as part of our Thanksgiving series here leading up to that wonderful holiday. This broccoli casserole is so yummy. It's going to quickly become a favorite at your Thanksgiving dinner table, and it's very, very easy. So I'm going to show you how to make it super quick because I know everyone's busy around this time of year, but without further ado, let's start our broccoli casserole. I have 2 bags of frozen broccoli here that I cooked as directed on the packaging, and to it I'm going to just add in a bunch of ingredients. I have a white onion diced up pretty small, and I have half of a stick of melted butter. You're going to want it melted, so just kind of microwave it for a couple minutes there. Perfect. And then I have about a cup to a cup and a half of cheddar cheese, just a nice shredded cheddar, and 2 eggs beaten. 2 more ingredients to add to this delicious broccoli casserole. I have 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup that we're going to just scrape in there. Oh, got some more in there. Perfect. And then we are going to also add about a cup of sour cream. Now you could sub here if you want to use a mayo. I think sour cream is the best. But you could also do Greek yogurt if you want to make it a little healthier. Once all of your ingredients are together, you're just going to mix it up real good. I promised you this one was easy, and as you can see, it really is. So we're just going to mix up all of our ingredients until they're well blended and then get it into our casserole dish. Once your mixture is nice and blended, you're going to go ahead and put it in your casserole dish. Just put it in there. Perfect. And then you're going to spread it out so it's nice and even in your dish, like so. Now for the fun part, you're going to take half of a sleeve of Ritz crackers, put it in a plastic bag like this, and crunch them all up. You're going to want to get like a buttery Ritz and just make sure that they're crunched up. And after you smash up your Ritz crackers, you're going to go ahead and just sprinkle them right over top to make a nice kind of like crusty topping to this awesome broccoli casserole. I'm telling you, if you do not normally have a broccoli casserole at Thanksgiving, you are going to now because this is so good and it's going to quickly become a family favorite. Once your Ritz is on top, it goes into a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes, and trust me, you are going to love it. After 30 minutes in the oven, you have yourselves a delicious broccoli casserole that you are going to love for Thanksgiving. I'm telling you, it is so good. You are really going to like this recipe. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. We have a ton of Thanksgiving recipes already on the channel, links below to that, and we are having more this week, so make sure to check out some of those, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.